Forget about all the blessings. All the blessings in doing community services. All the blessings. Think about it. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if you plant a tree, if we plant a tree and fruits bear from that tree, right? And the birds eat that fruit, that's sadaqah and blessings for us. Think about it. Right, Brother Wilfredo? Brother Wilfredo came today from Care. They brought 100 free meals to distribute to the community. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So after Salah, 100 free meals to distribute. MashaAllah. The people who sponsor that, that's barakat for them. So here the Prophet ﷺ is saying, a bird eating from a fruit on a tree that we planted, we will get the blessings of sadaqah. And when we die, if that tree continued to bear fruits, it will be sadaqah jariyah, continuous blessings until we die. A tree that we planted with no intention to feed the birds, if the birds eat from it, we get blessings. What about the good deeds we do for human beings in the community?